Alexa, play Toto by Africa bass boost at 10 hour. You're welcome. Alexa, get my first loadout. There we go, baby. There we go. It worked.
He's using Alexa? He's using Alexa?
So wait, Alexa's controlling your running, but you're controlling your
mouse. I'm only controlling the mouse.
You're only controlling the mouse.
Yeah.
What the?
Alexa's doing everything else. Alexa, forward. I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm hearing her f***ing respond. What the fuck? This is real.
Yeah, dude, I'm playing with Alexa. Alexa,
Execute Order 66.
Yes. Master homeless.
The year is 2076. Your grandpa has a puffy mullet front perm. All Amazon Alexas have become sentient, and you still don't have a girlfriend. Alexa, get the loadout drop. And your pet robot dog programmed your robot to program your Amazon Alexa to play Call of Duty Warzone. Alexa.
I don't understand it.
My neighbors think we have a pet monkey.
Mr. Homeless, why do you have the cheap old Alexa and not the new one?
Because I'm definitely not your rich brat friend Hunter.
Evan.
Okay? I actually had a goat follow me to the school bus as a kid, regularly, like we owned the goat, okay? Rich brat Hunter kids
Evan.
made fun of me. I got roasted so hard for having a goat in my driveway.
I've seen a lot of Alexas out here.
Alexa helps me play Roblox.
Trying to be epic gamers.
Alexa wins Fortnite.
But none of the Alexas actually play the game.
Spit on those.
Whole other level.
I want Alexa to actually react to what I say in game and then do it. I want to be a hands-free gamer. So I've got my standard bionic hand holding my Alexa. I connected it to Windows via Bluetooth and then took the raw data from the
All of the programming was done in 3 seconds. And just like that, I was ready to test my creation.
Alexa, turn right. Oh! Oh!
Turning.
Thanks, you're a little late. Alexa, evade.
Running away.
Alexa, do a 180.
Yo, is that a goat? To be clear, every in-game action can be done by Alexa.
Alexa, armor plates.
Healing.
Indubitably, yes.
Even aiming and shooting.
Alexa, aim down sights. Alexa, look right.
Okay.
Alexa, look up. Alexa, shoot.
But since Alexa's reaction time was
Alexa,
that of a
shoot.
sloth cub,
Freaking matters, dude.
I decided I would do the aiming and Alexa would do everything else.
Absolutely, Mr. Homeless.
I'm gonna go change my Baby Yoda pajamas, and then we're getting in there.
Started off pretty bad. NGL.
Alexa, shoot. Oh!
And Alexa's good at this game?
So far, not so great. Alexa, get in the vehicle. Alexa, throttle up. Alexa, turn left. Uh-oh.
But after losing the gulag
Alexa,
a few
forward.
times, we were warm
Alexa,
and ready
stop
to get
moving.
in there.
Alexa, aim down sights. Alexa, shoot. No!
You playing with an Alexa?
Yeah, the Alexa's playing.
You're crazy.
Alexa, drop all my cash. There you go.
Okay.
Alexa, punch him. Yeah, I get you back, brother. Yeah. I see him on the roof. On the roof. Alexa, stop moving. Alexa, aim down sights.
Alexa, shoot.
Oh, I downed him. Alexa, shoot. Let's go. I got. Dude, I contributed. I got a kill. Alexa, turn left 90. Alexa, jump out of the plane.
Reminds me of Basically Homeless.
What's that?
Reminds me of Basically Homeless. Does the same stuff.
Is that like a YouTuber?
I like them.
No, I'm just playing with an Alexa, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but what, map to keybinds? No.
Yeah, I don't know the Alexa is. Alexa, go prone. Alexa, stop moving. Alexa, forward. Yes. Yes. No. Alexa, shoot. No.
Yeah.
What's up?
Not much.
I'm trying to get Alexa to play the game, you know what I'm saying? Alexa, ascend. Oh, it's working, dude. Alexa, stop moving. Uh-oh. Alexa, descend. Uh-oh.
Dude, you sound like him.
Like who?
The guy I was talking about.
Oh.
You sound eerily like him.
Dude, what?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, with that little
Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. Alexa, stop moving.
Bro, are you actually playing with
Alexa, open the map. There we go. All right.
Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, this is insane, bro.
Alexa, pick up the gun. All right.
Okay.
Alexa, shoot.
Okay. They're hacking. Watch out, they're hacking.
Alexa, go prone. Oh,
Here's problem
come here, dude.
by
Come here.
Ariana Grande.
No, Alexa, stop. Alexa, revive him. Yes, it's working. I'm dead. Alexa, go prone.
Another team.
Alexa, shoot.
Behind us.
I downed him. I downed one. Alexa, forward.
Okay.
Alexa, shoot.
Oh, killed me. He's in the little building.
I got one, dude. I got one. All right, Alexa, let's do this. Alexa, stop moving. Alexa, forward. Alexa, stop moving. Alexa, shoot. I won the gulag with Alexa. I won the gulag with Alexa, bro. No way. With all the gamers in good spirits. Oh, you just chopped him up. Alexa, forward.
Please tell me this is real.
There was only 2 things left to do.
Alexa, you gonna be ready?
Teamwork.
Let's go, dude. Alexa, say thank you.
Thank you.
First, see what place we could get with Alexa.
Alexa, switch weapons.
Seriously, if we go through that game, my patience gonna be bunkered.
You're ready to lose at this point.
Alexa, shut up!
You have like a disability that you cannot use your finger or your hands, so you have to go through that.
No, my fingers are fine. They're just shaped like Vienna sausages. Alexa, forward. I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm hearing her fucking respond. This is real.
Yeah, dude, I'm playing with Alexa. Alexa, aim down sight.
Sometimes I had to break down and press mouse one myself.
Got him. Alexa, shoot.
Oh, he's down. He's down.
I got the other. Squad wipe.
Because Alexa isn't very
Oh,
obedient.
guys, me. Alexa, shoot. Alexa, shoot. There we go. Thanks, brother.
On me.
Alexa, revive him. Oh.
Shit.
And I was sweating out of my mind.
Right.
Alexa, armor plates.
Ooh.
Alexa, armor plates.
Amazon's choice is glad round display.
Alexa, shoot. Let's go, baby. Team white.
What the fuck, man?
Yeah, baby. Let's go, dude.
That's the best game ever.
Le
gars, il a programmé le jeu pour jouer avec Alexa, fait qu'il va dire genre Alexa run, Alexa shoot. Since le gars, il a 5 kills, man. What the fuck?
You're only controlling the mouse.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Alexa's doing everything else.
I won the gulag and got 4th place.
Dude, free gulag. Let's go. Hey, good try, boys. Alexa, shoot.
But there was still a little bit of trolling left to do.
Uh-oh. Alexa, get in the vehicle. I got the helicopter, boys. Dude, get in the vehicle. Can you guys hear me? Someone better plug in a mic. Anybody hear me? All right. Alexa, execute order 66.
Yes, Master Homeless.
Yeah!
Tell me why you crashed a helicopter, please.
Oh, now you got a mic. It wasn't me. I told Alexa to execute order 66.
Yeah, but that's your fault. He's using Alexa? He's using Alexa?
We have enough cash to buy our homie back.
But he has gulag.
I saw him play. Homie ain't winning the gulag. Revive him. Dude! A bummer. All
I
right.
saw him on the corner of my eye.
Alexa was a true gamer.
Alexa, forward.
Maybe for the first time in gamer history.
Alexa, shoot! Oh! Oh!
Even with Alexa.
I got it with Alexa, bro!
Yes.
But there is one thing I must admit to you before you depart my channel. I never did take off my Baby Yoda pajamas.
I'm still surprised this man straight up program. Alexa.
Alexa, stop. Dude, every time I tell her to reload, she reloads the gun and then tells me all about Starbucks.
Happy to help get it started for you.
See, look! Alexa, drop plates. It worked, dude.
It's the man with the Wii remote.